If you haven't heard of responsive web design, prepare to be amazed. It's the next big thing for websites. And trust us, you'll want to take advantage of it. So what is responsive design? Basically, when a website is responsive, it means the site automatically adjusts to display its content perfectly in whatever size screen it's being viewed. So responsive websites respond to the size of window they're in. Let me show you. Here's a website that uses responsive design. Watch as we resize the window. Notice how the elements rearrange on the fly as we shrink it. Cool, right? Now, this is nice for those using different window sizes on a computer, but here's the best part. If your website is responsive and designed to accommodate the right screen sizes, it will look great on tablets and mobile phones as well. See, screens are changing all the time these days, so building a unique website for each one is pretty impractical. But with a good responsive framework, you can make different screen sizes work for you and not against you. A bunch of advanced web technologies work in concert to make responsive design possible, and it can be pretty complicated to build from scratch. But if you're using a web building platform or CMS like WordPress or Drupal, you're in luck. The concept of responsive design has been around for a couple of years, and now there are many themes and templates available that are built on a responsive framework. So getting a responsive website can be pretty easy. Just search for and install a responsive theme and you're set. Now, there are situations where responsive design may not be ideal. They can result in somewhat slower page loads for visitors. And depending on the nature of your website, it may not be the best fit. For example, if you have a lot of content, a responsive website could potentially make your mobile visitors scroll forever and ever to get your content. In those situations and others, a dedicated mobile website probably makes more sense. But for many people, responsive design is the future. It's a fast, easy way to make your site look great on a range of screen sizes. Consider making your website responsive today. You'll be glad you did.